Hello everyone and good evening. Every one of us wants to be healthy and fit. Also, every one of us knows that exercise is very important to our health and our life. But many of us do not do it for many reasons, like that he didn't have time to do it, or that there is no good place to work out, or he's tired after his job. But the most common excuse is that he hates to exercise. So today I will try to convince you that exercise is very important. But before I talk about my point, I know that sometimes we cannot exercise for that we don't have time or we are tired. But I hope after I talk about my point that you're convinced that we must exercise. So now I will begin to talk about the points. The first point, that exercise helps to prevent from disease. So exercise regularly that prevents our body from disease like heart attack, high blood pressure, or cancer, and diabetes and other diseases. Now I will talk about the next point, improve our stamina. Our body uses energy when it's work. So if we do exercise regularly, like walking or bicycling, our body will be more efficient and will use less energy for the same amount of work. Now, third point, which is flexibility. Stretching exercise is very important for our body, so that our body will be flexible and can bend easily and reduce the chances of getting injured. The fourth point, increase our muscles. So exercising weights improve our muscles and bones and increase its strength and endurance, and also give it a good look. The last point, which is weight control. So exercise is the key for the control of weight, because it burns fat. So if you burn fat more than you did, you will lose weight, as simple as that. So I talked about the importance of exercise in our life, and I show you the points which are prevent from disease and flexibility and improve stamina, also increase our muscles and weight control. So if you begin to exercise regularly, you will feel better, you will feel different, and it will remove the stress, and your mood will be better. Also, you will feel better in your life. So I advise you to exercise regularly, and you will see a difference. That's my presentation. Thank you.